Subscribe. Add 250 grams besan. Add 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon dry methi, half teaspoon cumin seeds. Mix it. Add 1 glass water. Mix it. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Cooked it on medium flame until dry. Ready. Let's dish out. Now press it equally. Add 5 chopped green chilies. Now press it equally. Add 2 glass water. Rest it for 10 minutes. Add 100 grams yogurt. Add 6 garlic cloves. Add to medium-sized onion. Add half teaspoon turmeric. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 glass water. Blend it. Add half cup oil. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds. Fry it lightly. Add prepared mixture. Stir it. Cooked it for 15 minutes on medium flame. Now cut it into pieces. Mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon dry methi. Mix it well. rest mixture. Mix it well. Add 1 glass water. Mix it well. Cooked it for 5 minutes on medium flame. Mix it well. Add khandwi. Mix it well. Flame off. Let's dish out. Hope you like it. Subscribe.